No BS, Honda maintenance mode. This is a 2016 hybrid Accord. Works for other hybrids as well. Key on, push it twice. Check engine light should be on. Do not push the brake. Double press the gas. Push the brake. Put it into neutral. Let go of the brake. Gas twice. Put it into park. Gas twice. Brake. Power. Maintenance mode. Hope this helps. I watched way too many videos of this that take forever. Blah, blah, blah. So I just decided to make a quick one for you guys. Hope you appreciate it. It's for myself as well. Leave a like, leave a comment. It'll help bump this up when the next time you need to use this video, which will probably happen. Love, peace, and chicken grease.